Yes, hello ma'am. Welcome po sa ating live. Why it always comes back to goodbye. Hello everyone. Sana po nasa mabuting kalusugan po tayo today. Diba? Welcome everyone. One another, we're too good without each other. Take the best and make it better. Find a way to stay together. Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? Make the magic last for more than just one night. I know you do it. We could just get to it.
Ayun, ganun lang specific.
What is that? Hello everyone. Welcome po sa ating live today, diba? Michael G. Torment, hello, welcome everyone. Hi po sa inyong lahat. Miss Nin?
Check mo yung post
Yes,
ko.
where are you?
Check mo yung post ko.
What is that on your...
Gusto ko i-try nyo to pala. Gusto ko ito, i-try mo to. Pag may problema kayo sa tulog, makakatulog ka talaga. Oo, clothes. Oh. Makakatulog ka.
No. Kasi ito natin yan.
Eldrin, alis na ako. Mamaya, balik ako. Balik ako, ma.
Such a feeling's coming over.
Pumunta lang ako sa church.
There is wonder in everything I see.
Babay muna ako.
Not a cloud in the sky, get the sun in my eyes, and I won't be so proud.